this message. You probably do not know about me. For that, I say hello. I am the worst weather nightmare that you can ever experience. I shall bring destruction to not just the United States, but to the entire North American continent and beyond. This radioactive was only a beginning of the worst nightmare possible. What she did was nothing compared to what my strength, my power, and everything I can do will ever accomplish. So be warned. Here I come, Chicago.
Tornado emergency for Chicago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Central Lake County and northeastern Illinois until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and violent tornado was observed over downtown Chicago. Hazard: destructive tornado. Source: public confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Complete destruction of any structure is imminent. There is no safe above-ground structure. Seek an underground shelter to protect your life. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.